All right, you guys, it's another gorgeous day. So we're doing another crystal unboxing. I literally just filmed one like 2 days ago. So we're gonna open these gorgeous selenite pieces. I actually got these quite a while ago, but had put off launching them. But let's just jump right in and open these babies up. I have a whole box of them and they are so incredibly pretty from what I remember. They're all super unique. Some have these black phantom inclusions in them. So we have a ton of unique selenite specimens. And you see the gleam. So these I got from my super special selenite supplier who have access to amazing selenite. And you know what's really interesting, you guys, is I've started seeing more of the pink selenite on the market and it's super dark and the color doesn't look natural. So I do think that they are starting to create dyed pink selenite. The ones I have are not dyed though. Once I open the pink selenites from this unboxing, I'll put a side by side so you guys can see what I'm talking about. Here is one of those gorgeous pink selenites. This one has a rainbow. We were able to actually get a really good price on these, so they'll be a little bit more affordable than what we've had in the past. So you can see the pink is super subtle on this. Now on the right side of the screen, I'm gonna put the new pieces that have been coming out of the factories. So you guys can let me know your thoughts down below. This to me still looks natural, but the photo on the right definitely looks a wee bit enhanced. But I'd love to get your guys' thoughts. Here are the next two. These are also pink. They just have a slight pink right down here. We also got some super high grade clear ones that literally look like glass. So this one has just a wee bit of pink right here. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. And these actually, she did send me some stands. So if you'd like a free stand, just let me know in the comment section and I will give you them while supplies last. They're just silver stands. So these are some of the yellow ones. I actually read that these are from Italy or Greece. They come from 2 different locations. So they're super pretty. This one has rainbows on it. This is just the hematite stained or golden healer stained selenite. We had some really big ones, so I asked my supplier to get some a little bit smaller so that we could have a little better of a price on them. This one is super gorgeous. Look at the clarity. Wow. And then we have this one, which is also really gorgeous. I need to still add one of these into my collection because they're so pretty. And if you guys want to know what the stands look like, they just look like that. I don't know how many she sent me, but if you want a free stand, just let me know. Okay, these ones have a big A on them. I'm not sure why. They're very large. Let's take a peek. Come to think of it, they might be those super duper clear ones. Let's see what we got. So they might be like A for triple A or A grade. Yep, that's what it is. I'm pretty sure. Whoa. They're wrapped in saran wrap. I was like, this doesn't look very clear. Let me see if I can gently take that off. Yeah, they're wrapped so good as to not get scratched. Okay, that is how clear they are. Wow, that is like a window. And I think someone in my Patreon was saying they used to use selenite as windows. I think if I'm wrong, let me know. But have you guys ever heard of that? I mean, it's just so clear. Beautiful. Wow. Put that one over here. Oh my gosh, you guys are gonna be so happy. There's money toads in here. You know what's so funny? Last time I opened the money toads, I was like, that's so weird why there isn't more money toads. So we do have a couple bracelets in here. Ibis jasper and green flower agate. Very random, but here we go. Though we do have another 40 of these coming. These are some of the smaller pink. They just have the slightest of pink on this one. And then here's another small one. These will be super affordable because of their size. Wow, this one is really pretty. It has the most beautiful yellow stripe through it. Wow. And then there's also this one, which has really cool, unique inclusions and textures. This one's a little larger too, but you can see in the selenite all the layers. That is so pretty. Here is another beautiful pink one. This one is also a little chunkier. Let's see, I'm gonna start putting these together. And then this one has some really cool inclusions right there. It almost looks like a garden quartz kind of inclusion in it. That's so special. I love those pieces. Okay, I'm gonna try not to get it on the super clear one. Wow, we have a lot of these this time. Okay, I just cleared this off so we would have some more space. And I realized we had a few more of these. Wow, this one's really heavy. One of the super clear. Wow. That is so clear. That is so clear. You almost can't. Can you even tell that I have a selenite right here? Whoa. Crazy beautiful. Next is this one. This is so unique with the rainbow. She's pretty chunky, but beautiful. I love this yellow striping. Okay, the sun kind of dulled out, but I'm still gonna show these. This is another yellow one. This one's a little thinner, so it'll be a little lighter, but lots and lots of yellow inclusions. We have this one, which is also has a yellow stripe in it. So pretty. Ooh, that one fell right out of the package, but how beautiful is that? Super stunning. This one right here. Ooh, this one's also really pretty. I love the yellow striping. That is so special. This one looks like it's another AAA, but is it? Oh no, she actually has some desert rose in her on this side. Wow, this one was, I remember this one being very special. Sorry for blinding you. Isn't that so pretty in there? It's a selenite flower in the middle of a selenite plate, and there's a rainbow. Let me flip it over so you can see what the underneath looks like and how sparkly it is. That is so freaking cool. Wow. It's probably one of the more unique ones. Here's another purple pink one. This is a super subtle pink, really beautiful. I think I might just open these all off camera and then flash them at the end. Okay, I got those all opened off camera, which I'm glad I did because it took me a while because of how they were wrapped. But let me show you some of the pieces that I opened. So this one is a pink and you can really see the phantom in there. Super gorgeous. This one is really special. I think we have two of these pieces. So this is a pink with some calcite on it. A little bit of dog tooth calcite. So pretty. We have a couple more of the orange yellow. This one has a beautiful little rainbow right there. This one is super special. It has like a Z shape, but so much yellow packed in there. And then it's like orange on the back. Super special. Love that one. Then these ones are actually very thin, so they should be extremely affordable. They have the yellow and orange stripe through them. Then this one just is tipped at the end right here in the orange. Super clear up here. Again, this one's very thin, so it should be pretty affordable. We have some more pinks. Hopefully you'll be able to see the pink on camera. Pink always washes out on screen. She's a little chunky one. Then we have another one of those ones with calcite. This one actually has a lot of pink around it. And there is the little calcite formation. Those are just so pretty. These would make great home decor pieces. Then this one has a really beautiful pink phantom going through it, but such good clarity on this one as well. Then we have another AAA ice clear. This one is chunky, but look at how pretty that is on the side, all the layers. Beautiful, beautiful piece. And then we have two more of the pinks and then a super special one that I'm so excited about. So we have this one in the pink. You can see the pink on the edges. Gorgeous. And then this one's a bigger one and it's almost all pink. I don't know if it's showing up. There's also a huge rainbow. You can see how pink it is on the side. Absolutely stunning. And then you guys ready for the super special one? I gotta be honest, I don't know if I'm gonna sell her because she's really one of a kind. But here she is. Isn't that just the most magical piece with all of these incredibly stunning points? These are a little crumbly. You can see there's one that has a loose tooth. She's super thick. Let me flip her over. And you can see all the dog tooth calcite pieces inside of the selenite. It's just so cool. I probably will sell this piece, but it's also just super special. I don't know if I can get any more quite like this one, but we do have that one. You can see the matrix, the one with the flower inside as well. So super stunning, gorgeous piece. All right, that is all of the really pretty selenite. I think this is my third or fourth time with these really, really special selenites. I try to get some more pink, some more yellow, and some smaller sizes so they were more affordable. And then I try to get some really, really special ones. And of course, the AAA grade ice clear window pane selenites, absolutely gorgeous. And if you guys are new here, this video will go live Wednesday at 7:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. All of our new crystal launches go live at the same time. And when this video is live, if you're watching this right now, everything is available on our website at coldbrewcrystals.com or over on our Etsy, which is Cold Brew Crystals. I will leave both linked in a pinned comment down below so you can easily click and go shop that way. And I hope you guys enjoy these pieces. We probably won't have any special selenites for a while because we're all stocked up now, but I'm so excited to hear you guys' feedback and so excited to hear which ones you pick out. Thank you guys so much for watching. We're getting so close to 50K. So if you are a new viewer, make sure to subscribe. It really helps my channel out and it's free and it will help us get a little bit closer to 50K. Thank you guys so much for watching and supporting. I love you so much and I will see you on the next video. Bye.